I did. No, I did not. Well, that's what I was asking you. Okay, but that's what I was asking you. I see. So in order to, you know what I mean. So in order to, okay. So I have to. So I still have to do this to go to my YouTube stream, but then to stream within the room, I have to use that other start button. Okay. Well, then that's then we have to do something with that. Now, how about other people? Your other rooms, were they saying it was a better resolution? Once they started doing it this way? Oh, I see. Okay. No. Right. Okay. Now, before you let me go, I'm going to have to start this from scratch. Okay. Okay. All right. Exactly. Go. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ah, okay. I got you. Right. Oh, I see. Ah, okay. But what you are saying, what you are saying is that the YouTube stream looks good, but the trading room does not look as good as when I use the normal share. Okay, that's what you're saying. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm back now. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, excellent. Comparable to the YouTube feed? Okay. Thanks for doing this, by the way. How is your overall updating of the site coming? Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's just as an aside, Sebastian. I mean, as Trade Ideas, we've had our biggest month in our history. As Trade Ideas, revenue and all that. Unfortunately, people staying at home, and so it's not so much reflected in the number of people in our room because they come in and out all day long. But I'm usually no, no, not really. I mean, when I trade also, so I mean they're watching me trade, okay, but I'm also trying to. Oh yeah, so they're also, but really, I mean, probably 80% of it though is people asking me questions about how to use the program, and I'm demonstrating. But we've also got how to trade with Trade Ideas, exactly. And then we have a lot of great traders in the room, so there's always dialogue, amongst all the traders, and so that's. Oh, I see. Yeah, no, that's okay. But what? Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, that's normal. Okay, so I can, of course, I can have the room up and running, but then first, and then select. Okay, let's try it. I think I can do this. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay. So now I'm streaming in YouTube, and now I go to Tools, and then I go Virtual Cam, and then I say Start, and then I go to my screen sharing, and I pick the second one, and we're done. Is that it? Oh, excellent. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time by myself. Copy all that down, but yeah, I think I got it. Well, that's really cool. I mean, if you think the resolution is the same as when I do it, from normal, what would happen if I pick this just for argument's sake? Oh well, you added this. This looks like another option, right there that says the 1 meg higher bandwidth quality. Right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So this. Okay. So just. Okay. So I'll start from. So you want me to start from scratch again? Okay. I just did it. Oh, but now I have to. Do I have to start? For okay. 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 So there. So that's what you should see. You see my charts, right? And yeah. Well, let's do this. Okay, but let's do this though. Okay, you tell me. Let's go to the now. I can see it's easy to flip back and forth. So now you tell me. Is that better? I'm just gonna move this out. Yeah. So we can't go backwards. Uh-huh. Because I'm. Uh-huh. Actually, I wouldn't worry so much about the faint, like the spy, because that's a complaint I get all the time. For like what you should see is fairly. Okay, actually, forget what I'm saying. Forget that. You're talking about the faded. Okay, all right. No. They're not complaining about that at all. In fact, but oh, okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to stop and then go to second one. Yeah, second one. We're getting the spinning bar here. Can you see that? I guess you can't see that, can you? Just a second. Let me. Uh, okay, it worked. It just took a little bit longer. Okay. So now, what do you think? Which is fine. Which is fine because you know. Okay. Oh, excellent. Sort of like YouTube. It's sort of like you. Well, not. I don't mean. Well, I've seen. I'm sorry. We're yeah, exactly. I can go to some YouTube, and even though I'm on high definition, just in theory is selected, but it usually starts out a little bit blurry, and then all of a sudden, as you say, within about 5 or 6 seconds, it sharpens up. I always start my screen sharing well before I actually start sharing the room. So I mean that's not an issue. Exactly. Right. 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 Okay. Oh well, that because it's even faint for me. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. So it's very faint for me also. So it's meant to be just kind of a little watermark. All right. Okay. Exactly. Yeah. You know what? And I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to wait for people's reaction if there are any. We'll just have to see. But I'm not going to say, hey, by the way, guys. I'm not going to say, hey, by the way, guys, I'm broadcasting or streaming it a little bit differently. Is any better? I'm not going to say a thing, and. Exactly. Hey, yeah, it doesn't look as good. And yeah, okay. Sebastian, I don't. It was 9 hours ahead. You guys, are you guys 9 hours ahead of Vancouver? Six? Only six? Oh, okay. There. Yeah, yeah. Right. Right. I know. I know. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. Bye bye.